That ain't good.
Austin, what is that?
It's confetti.
Well,
welcome back to the channel. I'm just gonna wipe this off.
gosh. So, like Austin said, welcome back
We
to
got
the
major
channel.
issues in this joker.
Austin definitely said that something was wrong with the Falcon motor the last race at Outlaw. You guys saw that Austin went on a little venture to go support the SCDRA guys, the few we have at Outlaw. There's only like 3 or 4 that actually showed up. But the last 3 laps, you saw that I put in the video, motor laying down. Austin tends to sometimes say the Falcon is sick and it ain't running right and all that stuff. And he proves time and time again that sometimes that is not the case when he goes out there and is just screaming.
Well, sometimes I feel bad, but I still go to work.
Well, true. But this time, guys, it is legit. And so for everybody, and I'm not going to say this in the mean way, but for everybody, and you guys, if you're watching and you've said this before, I guess I'm talking to you. If you guys want to see the Falcon motor, so here you go. I can't lie to you. We ain't got no other motors laying around here. Everything's right here. If you want to see what the Falcon had on it, here you go. You're getting an up close and personal view of his motor.
Here you go.
There's his head.
Look at the imperfections. Nothing's been done.
Nothing done, guys.
Look, we even got single valve springs, which ain't no good.
This is a stocker as a stocker can get. And
there's the inside of all this.
There you go. But you can see clutch.
There's the markings for stock cams.
Everything is stock as stock can be. So if you guys want an up close and personal view, this is about as up close and personal as you can get right here. Turn this baby up. Stock, son. So, a lot of people think we're cheating. Y'all don't believe us. Here's your proof. If you don't believe us, I don't know any other way we can show you guys that this is what Austin has.
I'll show you where all K9 power's coming from.
There you go. That was what's on Austin's car because his breather box broke.
That might be restrictive, eh?
Yeah. But
Bro,
guys,
it was. Look, it was sucking in.
Yeah.
Dang
She
it.
was flying. And can we flip it up or no?
Yeah. I'm almost done.
Well, maybe I can get it from right here. So you guys remember Austin's motor? Yeah, you can see it. Here you go. We don't know what this stuff is. What is that, like some kind of foam? It's just corrosive, like scale almost. So we think that was restricting his well, they can see K9's car. What? I guess I ought to go ahead and show y'all. There you go. Kevin's car is painted. Stickers are almost done. So, well, what is your plan now? You've ordered a complete rebuild kit?
Yeah, it should. We just old eBay special.
So on that video, you talked about how this car had 250,000 miles and that you also talked about that we were going to build an SCDRA car. This car is not going to be our SCDRA car. Travis called him. This car, guys, is not going to be our SCDRA car. Austin's car is staying a Stinger. My car is staying a Stinger. We are building SCDRA hatchbacks, just like the one that you saw on Travis's video.
She's done here.
I just put that video out and Austin's Outlaw video.
Yeah,
Travis and Philip did an incredible job on his hatch. So now Travis will have 2 hatches. That's exactly what we're building. And the cool part is we actually have 2 for down here. So Austin will be in a hatch and I'll be in a hatch. We'll have 2, hopefully 2 SCDRA hatches. Now them guys are incredible. Yes, we didn't have a lot at our track, but the point is they're trying to start that if they can get enough people down here to participate in that style of racing without having to travel way off, and we're gonna do that. We have the cars, we just gotta get to building. But as of right now, Dad's car, y'all can kind of see it's getting some work done. K9's car is painted, and then Austin's is getting a complete refresh. 200, and I think we determined, we went back and looked at the ad where we bought Austin's car. I think it had like 247,000 when we bought it. I don't think I know he didn't put 3,000 miles on this car on the track. So he's right when he's close to about 249,000 miles. But so with that said, it's time to rebuild. Austin's gonna get this thing tore down and completely go back through it like Kevin's motor. So you know Kevin's motor is really nice, and so Austin and Kevin got a really good. Yeah, bearings are wiped on that baby.
What made you say that?
Well, that's probably what all that material is, right? That's what y'all are gonna check.
I'm not sure which one it is.
Well, we'll see here soon. So, all right. Well, we're gonna get this thing tore down, and then we'll come back here in a minute and show you guys how bad it looks.
We gotta pour all this
Oof.
out.
How's the piston walls look? Cylinder walls, I mean.
Right.
Wow. Yo, look at all that scale.
That's like, looks like foam.
It does look like foam. What is it?
I
think
I
needs to
can't
be
remember what it's
super
called, but
cleaned
it's
out.
just, yeah, it's
How do you clean them in there?
super clean.
No. Would you use like a
Power
sandpaper?
washer or whatever you want.
Dude, that's nasty. All right, well, we'll come back whenever Austin get this thing completely tore down,
Man,
and
I got bearing material all in my hand.
we're gonna start over. So here you go. For all the people who don't believe, again, that we tell the truth, it does not lie. We're giving you guys an up close and personal view of
Hey.
Austin's motor. So she was a junker, a straight stalker. Now she is definitely bad. So all right, we'll catch y'all later. All right, guys, we're back. It's a Tuesday night. The crew's here. Oh, A-Flem is back from St. Louis from his win and second place.
Yeah.
Drove the 11. Did you like it?
Yeah, I did very much so.
You like that track, don't
Shout
you?
out to Joey Laws. Good competition.
Joey has a bad to the bone car, son.
Representing the Hondas very well up there.
Yep, I liked what Keith Rapp said. Honda 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Technically after a second, but still.
I'm going to be out for a smidget.
So yeah, this video is all about the Falcon is down. Attention, the Falcon is down. So, do you care to explain? You went up to Travis's. They saw the video that you went up there and helped him, and you went and got some motor stuff.
You'll see it when you turn here. We've got one motor that's mine and one motor that we've got from Travis.
We got motor parts everywhere.
And they're not necessarily done forever, but for right now, we have to get machine work, and so we're not sure what. I think we have one more option. We have one more block at Wayne's house, I think, that we can use.
So
It might be an OG for a little bit.
what about the
Whole bunch of octane booster.
what about the one you're sitting on? Dad?
Yeah, he can drive it.
You want to no, I'm just saying you want to update them on what's going on. I'm going to throw a clip real fast right here of Dad the other day, and then we'll come back. Y'all check this out. All right, go talk to Papa. Ask him.
Papa,
Watch your hand.
how cool is this to be racing a car?
It's cool to have this one running again like it's supposed to.
Tell him what happened.
We think
Watch
we
this
found the
What
problem.
Watch this finger, see it?
What happened?
Hold it like this.
I think it was the speed sensor, because that's when it all started, when we changed over to a different transmission. We thought this one was bad, and we changed the speed sensor, and now it's gonna outrun the 13, the 00,
The 12.
the 12,
The K9.
the K9, and the 41.
Uh-oh.
If it has a different driver other than me.
Negative. You can do it.
Okay.
All right. Tell him we'll see you later. We'll show him how it drives.
See you later. Oh,
Hold it like driving it. Here he goes. So, what do you think about that? The car was driving.
Should be ready to go.
And we figured out it was the speed sensor.
Speed sensor.
So, we have a huge shout out. Kevin, bring me that sticker right over there. We have a huge, the SWE. We want to thank Mr. Steve because Mr.
Absolutely.
Steve Eatons has come in big time for our race team. We love Mr. Steve to death. Here is Austin's sticker, SWE Racing. That's Austin's. That's going on his car.
Check out their channel.
Yes, Mr. Steve has been on a little bit of a break for making YouTube videos, and he is getting ready. They're still dealing with snow and stuff up there, but Mr. Steve bought an ECU, and it ends up now that it was not probably the ECU, but there was a little bit of issues with our old one because it wasn't throwing some of the codes that the new one was.
Right.
So maybe it was an ECU issue. We don't know, but
something happened to the ECU. In turn, happened to. So we pulled that transmission and put another transmission to make the race
at Hattiesburg. And that's when all the problems happened.
And that's when codes started flipping. And so maybe the ECU, when we swapped over to that other speed sensor, and I don't know, I'm not an electrical guy, I don't know what all this stuff does. Maybe it fried the speed sensor.
Yeah, we don't know. But
one of them I know, Kevin, didn't you say one of them's 12 volt and one of them goes through the computer? Between the two transmissions that I had in there?
Yeah.
And so maybe we fried a computer.
Let's go show them what you've done.
And
but anyways, huge shout out to Mr. Steve. He also came on board for Austin and bought a bunch of the rebuild stuff for Austin's motor. But like Austin just said, unfortunately, the block's probably warped or something's wrong on Austin's motor.
This one's bad. This one from St. Louis is bad.
Travis had one that is not good. Austin's officially is gone. Y'all saw at the beginning, Dad tried to get out here and clean it up. He did amazing. But let's go show him the 33. Dad's got it waxed. Y'all look at this. 33 is pretty. And Dad made a seat, right? Seat cover. Y'all look at Dad's. What'd you say this stuff was made out of? Dad, what'd you say this stuff was made out of? Velour. But Dad's 33 is ready to go. Now, y'all can see we've got some stickers here. We're going to show y'all Kevin's car, or we're not going to show it yet? What you want to do, Kevin?
Go for it.
All right, y'all look at this. Kevin's car is not officially done yet, but we've started putting stickers on there. Huge shout out to Eaton Clinic. They're come back on board. Of course, you guys have seen our own For You lights, Port City Motorsports Productions. We've got A-Volt, Bay Fast Lube, A&W Auto, and then our newest one that y'all saw over there is St. Elmo Feed and Seed. We love them guys. We get all of our chickens. Hatcher Farms Venue, Circle R Ranch. That's just some of the few that we've gotten so far. We've still got to put a bunch more on. But y'all can see it is a mess here. So Austin and Dad are headed out. They must be going to the scrap yard. But I want to let you guys know something before we wrap up. This car right here, the OG Hog, is officially for sale. If any of you guys are interested in this car, it is a 2004. It's an 02 to 04 base model RSX, 5 speeds, got the good transmission in it. You guys saw that we put the Dickinson cage in it. It is built right, built for an enduro or a round track. And no, it does not come with the GoPro mounts. Well, we probably throw it in there, but if anybody is interested, y'all can send us a PM on Facebook, or you can email us in our email down below in the description. And this car is officially for sale. We no longer need it. We've got the P1G, which is the enduro car, and that's probably going to be the only one that we're going to worry with right now because it's messed up. And
until 2 weeks before the sweat hog.
yeah, until 2 weeks, then we'll probably build another one. But
oh no, we'll work on the P1G 2 weeks before the sweat hog, and then everyone will complain the entire time that we waited till the last minute.
But anyways, if anyone's interested, like I said, y'all hit us up, and that car is officially for sale.
We work well
Austin's,
under clutch.
yeah, Austin's is out, down and out for a little bit. Kevin's should hopefully be making his debut maybe this Saturday.
2 weeks.
Oh, in 2 weeks?
29.
The 29th. So you're not racing this weekend? Okay. And then I think the old Pony Express will be hitting the track this Saturday at Outlaw Speedway, possibly Deep South Speedway. So not sure. I have to work, so I will not be at the track any this weekend. I'm working night shift. And then after that, I am headed up to the good old state of Minnesota for a road trip and vacation time with my family. So you guys won't see me for a little bit. Hopefully, I'm going to stop and see some people. I think I'm going to try to hit up Outfits Garage, stop and see Outfits Garage, and also try to check out and see Minnesota Dirt, and maybe a few more people on the way up to my on my path up to Minnesota. Check out a few tracks and different things like
Taking
that.
the 13 with him, aren't you?
What is
You're
it?
taking the 13 with you, aren't you?
No. 13's washed and waxed, sitting at the house, ready to go. Austin may have to pull it in because Austin done got this baby, hot. So, but we've got the stickers for Austin's, of course, Steve W. Eaton's, all of these. I can't believe Austin's already got Willie marks all in his. Look, he done messed them up in one race. So
That's all them guys who don't know how to start.
yeah, I'll tell you what though, Austin was moving up at Federated, so that was a good race. So, what you got to say to sign us out, dude?
Y'all know what to do.
I like that hat.
Oh yeah, it's.
Super
I
clean.
lost.
Oh
about
yeah,
6
you lost
inches
some
here.
10 pounds of hair. Looks good. But yeah, so sign us off, bro.
Y'all don't forget to do the like thing, the comment, subscribe, or where else.